Imagine trying to fix every problem with only a hammer. That wouldn't work very well. Communication works the same way. A strategy that works for a speech may not work for a video, and a strategy for reading an article may not help you understand someone's emotions. Effective communicators know which tool to use. They carry it with them and use it wisely. But even with the right tools, there's one more factor that shapes meaning: you. You are part of the message. Every person brings something unique into every conversation: our family, our community, our experiences, our beliefs. Together, these form what communication experts call our cultural schema. A cultural schema is the knowledge and experiences we've developed throughout our lives. It influences how we understand the messages we receive. Imagine showing the same picture to 5 different people. Each person might notice something different. Not because someone is wrong, but because each person has different experiences. Communication is not simply receiving information, it is constructing meaning, and culture helps shape that meaning. Let's bring this idea closer to home. How does culture influence communication here in the Philippines? In the Philippines, many of our interpretations are shaped by cultural values. For example,
Pakikisama,
reminds us to value harmony within a group,
kagandahang loob,
encourages kindness and genuine concern for others. Respect for elders influences the way we speak, listen, and respond. These values don't just influence our behavior, they also influence what we notice as the main point of a message. Imagine reading a community announcement asking young people to lower the volume of their music during the evening. At first, you might think the message is simply about noise, but through a Filipino cultural lens, the deeper message is about consideration for neighbors, respect for older community members, and maintaining harmony within the barangay. Culture helps us recognize messages that may not be stated directly. By now, you've learned that extracting meaning involves much more than reading or listening. First, you consider the communication medium. Then, you identify the speaker's or writer's purpose. Next, you analyze important clues. Finally, you recognize how culture influences interpretation. These tools work together to help you discover the message that truly matters. You've learned the tools. You've practiced using them. Now it's time to put everything together. Can you uncover the true message hidden inside a real communication example? Let's find out.